My name's Chuck Covington. I'm CEO of People's Transit. People's Transit is a ground transportation company. We provide paratransit services, shuttle services, construction services, as well as sedan services. Well, about a year ago, one of our partner companies asked us if we would assist them in some of the paratransit work that they were doing in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So we've been doing paratransit, running about only 5 vehicles, but still, we've been doing it for about a year now. We spoke about what were the costs and the ways of entering paratransit transportation. Topics involved everything from the cost of technology, the additional cost of training, because it's not like on a fixed route, a transit route where you just kind of open a door and make sure everything's set and secure. Paratransit is a lot more involved, both on the pre-trip, making sure that we've got the right person for the right vehicle and their timing, as well as the pickup, whether it be door to door, curb to curb. There's much more interaction with our patron, with our customers in paratransit. We did a little bit of talk about the technology, how we're starting to meld the social network along with the scheduling software and the efficiencies that need to be inherent in that scheduling software and the actual person. What I took away from the session was actually the placement of the wheelchair in the vehicle. Having not given too much thought to it before, you kind of assume that this is where it had to be, say on the side going in or the rear of the vehicle. But as one of our panelists introduced to us, the best place for the patron is between the front and rear axle. So now as I go through the show, I'm going to take a look to see which ones actually put a wheelchair between the front and rear axle. We all know, we're riding in a car or something, you don't want to be on the back bumper, that's where you get bumped around a lot. The front's the same thing, but I'm assuming its center of gravity makes it more comfortable for the person between the front and rear axle. I've been coming to BusCon, I would say 6 or 7 years. I come because it gives me the cutting edge on what's coming out. What can I look forward to buy for myself and to stay ahead of my competition? How might the consumer view certain vehicles as you see them? The whole thing about BusCon is if you're in the transportation business, the bus or chauffeur business, it's like Disneyland in one place. You get to see all the vehicles that you can buy, or some of course might be a fantasy, but then you bring it down to what can you use in your business to help you make money. That's all so fun and kind of impressive looking.